Hey everyone! If you're here, chances are your room might be looking a bit messy and you're feeling overwhelmed by where to even start. Don't worry, today I'm going to show you how to clean your room fast and easy and keep it organized. Together, we'll tackle it step by step so that you not only clean it up today but also keep it looking tidy in the long run. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Start by getting rid of the obvious clutter first. Grab a trash bag for any actual trash and a laundry basket for clothes. You don't need to go through every item just yet, just clear away anything that's obviously out of place. Researchers, like those at Princeton University, have found that too much clutter can make it hard to focus and process information. So let's make this process as smooth as possible by getting rid of distractions right off the bat. Scan the room. Look around your room and pick up any loose items, like empty bottles, receipts, or papers. Separate laundry. Toss any dirty clothes into the laundry basket. Discard trash. Place trash directly into your trash bag so it's out of sight and mind. Now that you've got some free space, let's organize the items you actually use. Take about 10 minutes here, and remember, we're focusing on function over perfection. Studies from UCLA on home organization suggest that we tend to feel less stressed when things are arranged in a way that's convenient to access. Sort items by category. Group similar items together. For instance, put all your books, notebooks, or electronics together. Use storage containers. Put smaller items like chargers or pens into containers or bins. If you don't have containers, use any box you have available. Label. If you have labeling stickers, use them to mark where things go. This will help you keep your room organized in the future. Let's move on to wiping down surfaces to really give your room a fresh, clean look. According to studies done by the CDC, cleaning regularly used surfaces helps reduce allergens and bacteria, making the space not only look better but also healthier. Dust surfaces. Use a dry microfiber cloth to quickly dust your shelves, desk, and any other hard surfaces. Wipe down with cleaner. After dusting, take your multi-surface cleaner and wipe down these same surfaces, especially high-contact spots like door handles and light switches. With surfaces cleaned up, let's get the floor looking good. Floors are usually the biggest part of any room, so when they're clean, the whole space feels a lot tidier. Pick up floor items. Do a final sweep of the floor, putting away anything left behind. Vacuum or sweep. Use a vacuum if you have carpet or a broom if it's hard flooring. Make sure to get under the bed and in any corners. Here's a quick but impactful step. Make your bed. According to a survey by the National Sleep Foundation, making your bed in the morning can actually improve your mood and set a positive tone for the day. Plus, a made bed instantly makes a room look more organized. Smooth out your bedding. Straighten out your sheets, blankets, and pillows. Arrange pillows. Add any decorative pillows or blankets to give a finished look. This step is optional, but it's the cherry on top. If you want, add a couple of personal touches to make the space feel more like you. Display decor. Place a few decorative items, like a small plant or a favorite photo, on your desk or shelf. Keep it simple. Don't go overboard, keep only a couple of items out so your room stays neat. Great job! Now that you've finished cleaning your room, here are a few quick tips to keep it organized for longer. Remember, these are habits that can save you a lot of time and energy in the future. Do a 5-minute tidy every day. Before going to bed, take 5 minutes to put things back where they belong. Laundry routine. Try doing laundry weekly, so dirty clothes don't pile up. Use the one in, one out rule. Every time you buy something new, let go of something you no longer need. That's it. With these steps, you should be able to clean your room fast and easy and keep it organized. Remember, a tidy space can help you feel calmer and more focused. If you enjoyed these tips and found them helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Like, share, and drop a comment below to let us know your best room cleaning hacks. See you next time.